Look at my grandmother.
You know, sir, Christmas Eve holiday for one. Not today, Christmas turning up and down for one.
For real, you just come in here, just come messing up stuff.
Happy nice, man. She should have done all this 2 days ago.
Well, maybe she wanted to do it today. Somewhere in there. Christmas. Look at
the house pull up like this. I nasty. The house pull up like this and Christmas come and gone and it never paint. It just pull it at the time. But by the time it dry, the gel have been protein, so I'm going to put it in a liquor girl bag. Huh? Yes. Yeah? Yeah, me have a buckle so a bit thin and bad.
You look so nice. Turn your head, let me see. Turn your head now. Stop fixing. Mom look like y'all? Come over. Gee, my mom look just alike, don't they?
So what about you?
Yeah, I get the jeans, the big nose.
The big nose. This is Lee. Look on that area. This is how I'm going to be when I'm older.
Yes.
Maybe not. Because I'm about to turn 50 and I have no gray hair. It's like one. Look, I made sad gray from a 20-year-old.
For real?
Yes.
Like all
it's
over, just like baby.
You remember when them get the passport, them say visible whatever mark, brain ear. What's yours? Yeah, I'm saying that's stupid. Them never know they can die.
Also, my grandmother's birthday on Christmas. She's God's child. Open your present. Yeah, I can't see my mom because she's like, just look at her head. Once you see the wig off, you already know what the movie looking like. Come on. You taking so long. Why she can't open her gift herself too?
Open up the back.
If you hit me again, it's gonna be me and you. Back up. Ooh. You got Alan Tracy. Okay. The girl. You did that, honey. You got money. That's from us.
From us. From us.
That's from us. Happy birthday.
H-U-S. Not U.S.
I get close. Watch close that way. She get BB.
Yeah.
You act. Do y'all know hot chocolate tea? I don't know nothing about that.
Chocolate tea?
Y'all look at my hair. I'm in the process of getting another braid down. So come on. Presentation is key.
This is Akin Solfège. This is boiled provisions. You call it food?
Yeah, what's over there? Unreveal that one, girl.
What's that? Liver?
That is corn pork. Open it, please. That is corn pork. You call it Trenton.
I cannot do it. And then the chocolate tea.
And fried plantain.
And fried breadfruit.
And fried breadfruit. And dough bread. So it's big.
Big. Jeez.
And fried breadfruit.
And you literally need probably like only one. You ready to eat?
So you can go ahead and help yourself.
I sure.
But you keep it outside because you know it won't get so sharpened. Can I get some ice and let me try the salad.
Sorrow. What's goodie, everybody? It's your girl Poca. Listen, I have not been vlogging because we ain't really been doing it. I'm exfoliating my face. My tripod broke. We have a cook. And big. Now see that part? Let's look at this. Huge. bend over, pick it up. What's up, y'all? So, I told y'all I was gonna come back when I'm more ratty. Not ratty, but you know, kind of like, I don't know. This light is too white. We should not be looking like twins. Ooh, your shirt. Yeah.
You look like twins? Twinning as always.
But, yes, you guys, we about to head out. Regular. I just don't like how my camera is giving me this ugly ass light.
It's like a earthy photo.
Go on the other side, you shorter.
Yes, yeah, I'm come up with yeah, man, this good.
What's in the foot alright?
Yeah, that's cool, thank you.
Okay, what first stop at downtown?
Yes. Then I'm told.
Alright, so I don't know which part of town, right?
Yeah, man. From I didn't go big kid. Big kid and not you too, then I'm told.
We tell Andrea come out.
Come on, Jay, I'm calling him. I carry the food.
Oh, you call them already?
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Then we can correct. Mama, I'm correct answer money.
Make sure y'all listen to Sun City 04.9 Stage Show Saturday. Sue who? I know the owner. Yes.
If cruise ship ever start coming, so Gloria's done. If cruise ship ever start coming, so we're done with the thing.
Steam mommy.
What you want? Steam bami? Steam bami?
Just one piece. From the one piece.
Fire mommy or festival.
I don't want the two of them, fry bami and festival.
I want Bammy too. I want both.
Are you saying I'm the rice?
So steam mommy. You want fry mommy.
And festival for me. I'm the next one, the next fried fish to go. So you have to do it. Can you say I'm the rice? I mean, I want rice.
Who the fried fish for Nessa?
She said she not the rice.
No, second one.
I see, give me a tea.
Yeah, well, it's easy. I'm proud of it. Skinny like.
Money on the pre-bid I hear ya. Stop and them cheer ya. Who the light better knows me now they go tell me a touch on me here ya.
Good night, everybody. All that who live life, give me some signals, son. So we say Portmore. We say all I pray to them when they are tonight. Go on, so we on them, so. You hear that? can't tell you something. Do you hear me? Never used to have no empty sleep. I Portmore gonna represent. No every week, new girl in on it. Every, maybe I when me talk about me fam, just about the program when all said and done. Run any situation, then we can depend on and no other one. Can't come from connection, better them woulda get them broke man. So them woulda get them distraction. No, as I said, it's Dr. Rock in the house, and I want to wish everybody a very, very prosperous and healthy New Year in the 2020, understand? Big up Jim. You don't know the thing, go get there squad. You see right now, Dr. Rock have a youth in the campus here. He want one chance to prove himself. Rasta Joy, Portmore's very own. We tell them.
Lighting is dead bad. Like, I can't even get no good lighting from since I come. I know. Jesus. There's nobody in this car. I look so old.
If I see water, I water from the cave. Look at this.
Don't run us so much. I'm sorry. Ooh. I wish anybody would try something. I wish. It's miserable. She can't hang. She ready to go from since 10 o'clock. She's ready to go since 10.
10 o'clock when I see the day.
You can't hang, honey. You can't hang.
We got church in the morning.
Which morning? We'll be there the next hour. You gotta be
What time you have to be at church?
That's what you wearing?
You have to be at church at 5 o'clock? Huh? Lord, sing on people.
Look out here. It's so pretty. It's literally right across the hall. We live in the rich parts, okay? The rich part of Jamaica. BMW park up. Ooh, shoot. Look at it. It's so pretty. Let me life, let me feel alive. This is nice. Look at the big ass hill. Ooh, look at up there. That's up on the hill, y'all. Wow. That's nice. Bye, later.
So, what to do? No, mama, good. All the way.
Wasn't on that. I don't know if it was the grab, wasn't on the that.
I'm not really my original weed man.
So why would you bring me
no, it's
to
just
somebody
that
who wasn't?
it was in the area.
You promised me.
No, man, I get you some good herbs, man. I go down a skinny, go get some nice weed there. Trust me.
Okay. Whatever that is.
Alright, give me until. Yeah, I'll have it before New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve
before
is
New
tomorrow.
Year's Day. Yeah. Tomorrow I get it.
Whatever.
No, man, I get some migraine for you, man. No worries.
I got that on camera, so.
Huh?
I got that on video.
No, man, I'm not telling no lie. I promise you.
What the
You
fuck?
find out which one it is.
Wassgoodie Everybody is still I already had started vlogging already today, bro. Don't look at me.
We had to make a video?
I'm vlogging. I'm a vlogger. That's what I do. Finally came back.
Unless I wanted to come with us.
It's white tea.
Oh, you gone back next door? Because they may not stress me out.
I'm not stressed you. Auntie, nothing no go say, yeah?
Why are you
So
stressing
why
on
we
my
there so
mom?
long?
Nothing no go say.
It takes me about 5
No,
times.
say so, your mother say so,
Oh, you got plans today?
Huh?
You got plans today?
No,
Just have to go country later and then, but I come back early. I have to leave town the latest, probably about 4:30.
What? And what time is it now? It's like 4 something now.
I just 2:23. But more left the latest for 4:30. Where you want to charge your phone?
No, play music.
I put in a dancehall CD still. I don't know if you like that.
It's the same one from the other day.
No, man.
That you had us listening to.
What you know? You have the car up at your house?
It's upstairs.
So go feed him now.
What? Tell Nessa to bring it.
You have your phone?
Mommy, call Nessa and tell her to bring me something.
You have your phone?
She's gonna have to look for them.
Oh, you oh, it's not. I was about to say you changed it to English.
No, I'm not
Everything I said, Chinese. I find it funny.
Me no like it.
Ask me how we reach here.
And say, oh, Spider-Man. Mommy, give me that Spider-Man then.
You know, say we give it. You know, say it's a baby.
I wasn't laughing. It just sounds so cute. Doesn't it so
We in an internet cafe. Get my hair. It's the driver. I don't like how my camera be looking. My camera look like it has like a glass in front of it.
Oh, you supposed to sit here?
I don't know.
Oh, you better take the seat because I'm not using any of them right now. I don't know. I think you're supposed to talk to her.
Mm-hmm. You should tell her which one.
Which one to use? You always gotta do business. Too.
Yeah, me, right?
This lady full of business. Jeez,
Hold on. I'm finding my headphones because they're too loud.
I'm gonna put makeup back on the wig. My hair?
The front.
The part?
Hello?
You need glue, you need all of that.
Hello?
Mess.
Yeah. 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 Let me say hi. Hey. Mm-mm.